Hello everyone, I'm Xiao Li. Welcome to subscribe to my channel. Featured area at the top right of the video. Position of the flashing letter I. There are more quality technology videos you can click to view. Video sharing in this issue. For some students, mathematics can be a pleasure. But for most students, math is still the most challenging subject. If you find it difficult to grasp mathematical concepts, or if you don't understand the solution even if you know the answer, then one of the latest features built into the new Microsoft Edge will help you solve it quickly. This feature is called a math solver. Use it to quickly solve math problems by scanning in Microsoft Edge. From elementary arithmetic and quadratic equations to calculus, mathematical solvers are easy to handle. The math solver in Microsoft Edge lets you shoot math problems, both handwritten and printed, then provide an immediate solution with the solution process to help you learn how to reach a solution on your own. It also has a mathematical keyboard. You can easily enter complex mathematical formulas. And that's not all. After solving your problem, the mathematical solver offers a number of suggested options to continue learning additional material, such as quizzes, worksheets, or video tutorials. Step 1. Open Math Solver in Edge. Click on Settings in the upper right corner of the browser. Open More Tools. Select a math solver. Step 2. Select an equation. After opening the math solver, you can use the selection tool to capture the mathematical equation you want to solve. Make any adjustments to the selection window to ensure that your math problem is completely covered. No other text is captured. Also, there is also a section for entering the problem statement by using the numeric keypad provided in the tool. Step 3. Get the solution and step-by-step instructions. After selecting the equation, click on Solve to get the solution. Solve provides instant solution. And go further. Step-by-step instructions using various problem-solving methods. To view the steps, please select the solution method and click on Show Solution Steps. Step 4. Visualize the solution with an interactive diagram. With charts, understanding the equation becomes much easier. Scrolling the math pane, view the graph of your equation. Step 5. Enhance your learning with additional resources. The Math Solver also provides additional learning resources, such as video tutorials and similar worksheets. Makes it easier for students to dive into a topic and master it. Click on to show more learning to access these additional learning resources. It will open the Math Solver in a new tab. If you like my video, please like and subscribe to this channel. Make sure you turn on the little bell. You will be notified when a new video is uploaded. See you in the next video.